In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can equip emotes here in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but starting off, what you need to do is actually make your way over to the avatar section, select it, and by default, you're going to be put in the shop just like so. Now, if you want to buy emotes, you need to go to animations all the way over up in the very top tab, select it, and if you already own emotes, you can go ahead and customize them. I actually don't have any emotes though, so essentially I'd want to go ahead and purchase one in this exact same section. Now, you're going to have 8 emote slots available. You can select emotes and see all of these, but essentially go ahead and find one, for example, helicopter. It'll go ahead and preview over on this left-hand sidebar, and then of course you just have to pair it to a slot. Once you assign it, it's going to be equipped and ready to use in-game, and that really is the entire process. If you guys had any questions, just ask them that in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.